Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss about orthographic projections of lines inclined to both planes. Now I am considering a problem from Basant Agrawal textbook, that is problem number 9.28. Let me read out the question. A 90 mm long line PQ has an end P in on the HP and 70 mm in front of VP. The end Q is 10 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line when the sum of its true inclination, that is theta plus phi, is equal to 90 degrees. Determine the true inclination with the reference planes and locate the traces. Right, let me write the given data for this question. So this is problem number 9.28. Given data over here is PQ 90 mm and end P is on HP, P on HP and 70 mm in front of VP, and end Q is 10 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections when the summation, that is theta plus phi, equals to 90 degrees. So let's start the problem. Here I am taking the reference line over here, and I'll first mark the position of P, that is on HP and in front of VP. So I'll be taking the point over here. This is P dash, and down to the front view it is 70 mm. Here our P comes, right? Next, Q is 10 mm in front. So I'll be locating 10 mm over here. This is LL of Q2 and Q, right? And this distance is 10 mm, and this distance is 70 mm, that is given in the question itself, 70 mm, right? So now I'll be taking the compass and I'll measure 90 mm. Right, I have measured 90 mm. From here, keeping on to this, I'll draw an arc. So this is Q2. And this is true length, 90 mm. Right, in the question data is given that theta plus phi is equal to 90 degrees. So here this is the top view projection, so I can calculate the phi over here. I'll be using protractor to measure phi angle. Here the phi angle is 40 degrees. Phi is equal to 40 degrees. So here from the equation, when phi is equal to 40 degrees, then it implies theta plus 40 is equal to 90. Then theta is equal to 90 minus 40. That would be 50 degrees. So I can draw a line of 50 degrees from P dash. From P dash 50 degrees line up to 90 mm. I should have drawn this light because this is not a final projection or final answer what we are getting over here. This is only the reference. So this is Q1 dash, and let me draw the locus line for that point. This is LL of Q1 dash and Q dash, right? On this line only Q dash would be coming over here, and this is theta 50 degrees. Theta plus phi is equal to 90 degrees for this type of conditions. Right now, okay. Next, I have to draw the locus line of this also, and this LL of P dash, and this is LL of P comma Q1, and this is P dash comma Q2 dash, right? Now, have to project this to the opposite and this to the opposite. This to the opposite, that is here, and this to the opposite. And this is Q1. Let me extend this little bit, right? Okay, now as we got the points, now I have to project this side and this side. Let me extend this. See here, this would be coming over here, and this would be coming over here. Nice. This is Q dash and this is Q. This is final front view. We can measure it. This is 68, and this is final top view, and this is around 60. Top view 60, right? We got alpha, theta and phi. Now we have to find alpha and beta. So here you can see this is 90 degrees. Beta is equal to 90 degrees, and alpha is equal to 90 degrees, the angle, right? So this is true length 90, this is true length 90, and this is the distance between O1 and O2, O1 and O2. Because it is coming down to this, we won't be getting any distance between O1 and O2. O1 and O2 is a 0 for this point. Okay. By this we are going to finish the problem. I hope everyone understand, and do subscribe the channel, follow it regularly for updates in engineering drawing. Thank you.